guys, it's me, Super Kid 2003, and I'm going to show you a quick walkthrough of my room. First off, we have my Superman poster here, and over here I have another poster. I got it from a comic book, and here I have the good stuff, my Nerf guns. Here I have the Long Strike, the Recon, I got the Raider, and a shotgun. Me and my dad modified it. We started off to make it shoot farther. I have the barricade here, a small dart tag gun, the drum to the Raider, and over here I have my custom attachments. I made a zombie spotter scope, pretty cool. We made a crosshair in it, made out of paper towel roll. And we have this smaller one. I think it's kind of ugly, so we'll redo it. But it fits on the tactical rails to these guns here. And right here I have my bed. It's a full-size bed, but I guess I'll grow into it one day. And over here I have my karate uniforms. I'm a green belt, and right here is my name in Korean. These stars are for when I get straight A's on my report card. And I have my guinea pig right here. His name is Spooky. And my shooting range targets. The one right there on the right is mine, and the one on the left is my dad's. He shot it with a 1911, and mine, I shot it with a 22. And right here, I have a Superman drawing of my dad. We got it at SeaWorld. A person drew it. It's my dad. I call him my super dad. And that's it, guys. I hope you enjoyed. And I hope you watch some more reviews of my Nerf guns. Bye.